Next up, look out for White Lotus. For this, we need to take the IR beacon on the rocks off the northern coast of Ashika Island and place it on the roof of the Ashika Island Castle. Now, where exactly do we need to go? Well, on the Ashika map, we'll go ahead to the north side of the island and all the way up here in the middle of E1, where you can see 2 jet skis and boats up here. This is where we need to go. Right at the extreme top of the map, right where it bends here. This little island is what we need to go out to. It seems like there's 2 players out there. That's pretty cool. Heck, 3, but that is kind of scary. Well, let's see if we can maybe do something here. Mayhaps we can take it from them. Right, there's one of them down, but there should be another 2 that I'm aware of. Friendly. Okay. Thank you. I'll plead. Alright, so when we get to this coastal ruins all the way up here, it is a separate part of the map, but I don't think we'll find it as those other players were here and they seemed to grab it. So I do think it is gone. Yeah, alright. Alright, well, unfortunately they happened to sell it, so I guess we're just going to reset and search again. Alright, so respawning, let's grab ourselves a PWC or anything to get over to that far portion of the island. Right, so there's a boat on this island, which is probably bad news. It seems like there mayhaps already be people here. Oh, there we go. Okay, IR beacon is on top of this rock here. A nice little red item, super easy to find. Now we need to head to the Ashika Island Castle, which you'll find all the way over here in the center-ish in G5 and travel to the very top of it, where we'll get a prompt in order to place it. So the easiest way to get here is maybe through the no, definitely not. Let's just run across the surface and make a breakneck sprint for it. I think coming up in this direction here is probably the best because we can sort of avoid a lot of the things going on. So we'll come up the pathway here around the back and we should be able to get on without being spotted by Wilson or any of the other heavily armored AI in the Ashika Island Castle. Okay, so entering the Tsuki Castle area, we'll go ahead and climb up the backside here and hopefully scale our way to the top of the castle building. Didn't really want to fall down here, but there we go. Okay, so we need to get up this building here. There are a few ways of doing it. The easiest is probably the scaffolding here. Otherwise, I think you can jump across from the hill. But anyways, just scale this large main portion of the building here on the south side of it over here. And when we get to the top, we should find a prompt to place it. I think we'll need to climb the other high section. Yep, I think so. And obviously running on the far side from the courtyard is the best way to stay hidden from Wilson. Okay, so scaling all the way to the top of this building, once again on the far side, we should be able to place it all the way up here on the roof. There we go, place IR beacon. Just like that, we've now finished the second half of the Lookout White Lotus mission. So thank you all for watching, my name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.